The GH5 has many features that most consumer cameras don't have. For example, we have waveforms and vectorscopes. But there is no false color.
Or is it?
To get false color on your GH5, you need the V-Log upgrade. And that's because getting false color into the camera involves loading LUTs. And you can only load LUTs into the GH5 if you have the V-Log upgrade. If you shoot in a different profile but still have V-Log on your camera, you can still use this method. Getting false color on your GH5 involves a set of LUTs from IWLTBAP. There are 4 versions of the LUT, one for V-Log, one for the standard profiles, and then also a 50% opacity version of each. Standard is for those who shoot in a standard profile but still have V-Log installed on their camera. And I'll show you a quick way of enabling and disabling false color when using this method. To install false color, you first have to download the LUTs, and I'll leave a link to those in the description below. Once you have the LUTs on your computer, you want to put the VLT versions of that LUT on your SD card. You then put your SD card in your camera, and once in the menu system of the GH5, you go to V-Log View Assist. Select Read LUT File and then load your LUTs. Now you can go to LUT Select and enable the LUT when you want to use false color. If you use a different profile to shoot, you can actually program a button to toggle false color on and off. And to do that, you first have to enable the false color LUT in V-Log. You then change to your shooting profile. Go out of the menu and press and hold the button you want to assign false color to, and then choose V-Log. And now all you have to do is press that button to enable false color, and then press it once again to disable it. And you want to use version 1 or 2 for this method, since you're not shooting in V-Log. False color is a very powerful tool when it comes to exposure, and now you have it on your GH5 as well. And that wraps it up for this video. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see some more, and I'll see you next time.